Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy and I'm a just based YouTuber. So if you're stopping here for the very first time, please do subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and welcome to the family. If you've been here before, thank you for stopping by again, and please do give this video a thumbs up because you're going to enjoy it. So getting right into this video, I have few tips in front of me that can help you make the most of your 20s while still having fun, enjoying yourself and investing in your future. So please, if you like this kind of video, do keep watching. So my first tip for today is live your life. So if you're in your early 20s, you're in your late 20s, I believe you should just have fun, live your life, take risks, go crazy and stuff. So when you get older, you don't have to regret, be like, oh my god, I should have done such things, I should have done this, I should have done this. There might be regrets, but what's life without regrets? What's life without mistakes? But don't forget, you only live once. You cannot just let these years pass you by without actually having the breeze of fresh air. Do whatsoever makes you happy in your 20s, because by the time you're about 30 or even getting to 30, you start having to think about family and the rest, and there's no more time for any extra activities. So now that you have time, you don't have anything on your plate, have fun, enjoy yourself, explore, Dora, go places, do a lot of things, and don't forget yourself while doing them sharp. So getting more serious, my next tip is investing in your tomorrow. Like, that's a very important point right now. So let's leave all the jokes aside and get serious. So you're in your early 20s. What are you putting in place for tomorrow? What are your building blocks? What is your foundation for when you get to the older age, when you get to your late 20s, 30, 40, and the rest? What do you have in store? What are you investing in? For me, I'm a makeup artist, and to be honest, I have invested a lot in this work. I learned from YouTube, and I'm now a YouTuber. Into Instagram beauty influencing and the rest. I don't know if that's going to be a career for me. I'm still thinking about getting a job after school, but to be honest with you guys, I'm not interested in a 9 to 5 kind of job. But if it comes and has a good pay, fine and good. But when I say invest in your future, I mean get something doing. Like, you might have a 9 to 5 job, which is cool, it's fine if the pay is good, but you also need a side hustle. Like, when the salary doesn't come, what brings income? What can you be working with before end of the month? And just look for something that you just invest in, so that even when you retire, that will still be giving you your salary every month, apart from all the beneficiary things you get from working in a company, in the federal management and the rest. When I say investing in your future, I do not mean buying shares before you go and tell your parents that you watched on YouTube somebody say we must buy shares or all these things. You can do that if you have money, invest in cryptocurrency, stock marketing, and all those things. But for me, my best idea for you is learn a handwork. Learn something that even when the crypto is going down, you still have what's going to bring money into your account. When the job salary is not coming in at the end of the month, get something that will still be bringing you dough, bringing the cash into your bank account at the end of every week, every day, every month. You're cashing out. You can learn a lot of things. I'm going to put down a list of things you can learn. For those of you that are in the public universities, this 1 month is enough for you to learn something. So I'm just going to put down a list here for you guys to check it out and Try to learn something, invest in yourself, invest in the future you. Like, what do you want for yourself in the future? So for my third tip is cut off toxic friends. I know that cannot be overemphasized. I know some of you have done that already, but then are you sure you're cutting the toxic ones, or the people who are not actually just replying you, people who have just stopped talking to you or something? When I mean toxic friends, I mean people that will be like, okay, take for example, I'm a makeup artist and then I'm doing my whole Instagram influencing, and then a friend comes in and be like, ha, this thing you're doing safe, is it even making sense? That's a joy killer. Like, that's just no to toxic friends. Like, we don't need you guys in our lives. Cut them off. If they're gonna lead you to your doom, cut them off. Use cutlass, razor, anything you can see around you to cut them off. People who will not support you, people who will not give you the ginger to, you know what I mean, people who will not hype you. Your friends are meant to be your biggest hype. Like my friends, hey, there was a day, let me give you a short story. There was a day I was doing makeup in school, and then I was trying to get my contact lenses in my eye, and it was a tough thing. It was a struggle. And then my friends came and were like, let's help you. I don't really like people putting their hands in my eyes, but then the motivation they give, the hype, I had to keep trying and trying and trying. Those are the kind of people you need in your life at this stage. People who keep pushing you to do better, people who push you, people who give you the morale to go for your goals. Those are the people you need in your life, in your early 20s, your late 20s, in life self. They are your pillars. So your friends, friends can do what family cannot do sometimes. So if at this stage, if at this point of your life you have toxic friends, people who kill your joy, people who cut down your dreams, people who bring you down and make you feel like nothing, please do cut them off. Like, remove them from your life. You don't need them. They are not important at this point. They are not important. Remove them, cut them off, shut them out, block them. Anything you can do to get rid of them, just do it, and be at peace with yourself. Even if you don't have friends, you can motivate yourself, as long as you don't have anybody bringing you down and dragging you down. And people who give you advice also, you should also have them by your side. Those are the people who got your back actually. And if you don't have correct friends, start looking for. Sorry about that, I had to add my lip gloss. So my fourth tip is change your personality. A lot of us, let me say us in quotes, have very shitty, very bad personalities. Like, some people say it's attitude, it's personality has a lot, like, it has a lot to do with people you meet, and or I know sometimes you just have to use that we don't take shit here attitude. That's your kind of person. Try to channel your energy in being a role model than just being that self-centered human being that you've always been, and you've been so calm and settled in that position that you don't think you need to change. You have to be accommodating. Your personality says a lot about you. Your personality gives you a lot of opportunities, and when people see someone with a shitty personality, they do not want to associate. They do not want to have anything to do with people like that. Like, you can be 100% cute, your dressing is on point and everything, and if somebody sees your personality is whacked, like if that person is even meant to give you an offer or something, that's the end. So all these self-centered people that claim we do not care, we mind our business, Sometimes you just have to pray into people's businesses to know what's really going on with them. In this time and generation, you do not really know what's happening in people's heads. There's a lot going on there. So just try to be a more caring person, someone who is more kind, more lovable. Try to be a role model, try to be a mentor, try to change someone's life and perspective. Don't always sit down and be like, okay, I don't care, whatever is happening, it should happen. Our generation, and to be honest, that's like is on a high rate. I'm not a sociable person, which is not something to boast about, but I'm working on it, and hopefully maybe by the end of this year I'll be a better person. So you can also join me and work on yourself, be more caring, be more reliable, and everything will work out for you, hopefully. So my last tip for today is save. Yes, save your money. It's a very hard one, I know, when there's always something to buy, the newest clothes in town, bags, shoes, glasses, we have to buy data, we have to buy food, and the economy is not even helping matters. Like 10,000 will finish in a day if possible. So in this kind of situation, I also don't save, and it's not a nice thing because you're meant to be saving at this point. You're meant to have 2 accounts. Yes, I browsed about this, I saw it somewhere. You're meant to have 2 accounts, your savings account and your emergency account. Savings is used for investing to get more money to save. I don't know if you understand that. Your savings are meant to be used to invest to get more money to save. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And please, if you would love to see how I created this lovely look, there's no tutorial for it, but please do follow my Instagram page. Down it's going to be right here or here, I'm not sure. Do follow my Instagram page and watch my previous videos, and please share this video if you can. Bye.